I've been a huge fan lately of this AeroPress coffee press, and I decided to make a video. What we're gonna need is the press, my Yeti sippy cup, coffee of choice, it's Folgers Colombian, and of course hot water. I prefer the filter to be wet, sticks better to the holder. And my process is basically upside down, and I will show you why. It gives me a couple of minutes to stir the coffee and let the flavors release into the water. Usually it's 1 cup, measuring cup. Okay, have the hot water. Stir for a few seconds. Three, two, one, and slowly press. And here's the coffee. Excellent flavor, and I'm going to use Barista Edition oat milk to add to my coffee. So this is it. This is my version of the AeroPress coffee. Thank you for watching. If you like, please subscribe.